What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Henry Captain. So, I don't know if you guys got a Canon Rebel T6 and you're trying to plug in a microphone, but you know it don't got a microphone jack or input. So, this is the microphone I got, and I noticed when I tried to plug it into my camera, there's nowhere I can plug it in. So, I found a solution how to make this work. So, yeah, this is the mic I got. Hold up, move that to the side. You know what? We got that displayed in the background. Alright. Hold on, let's get this on the camera. Alright. So boom. Got it on the camera, you know what I'm saying? Looking nice. Looking a little bit more professional. Alright. Put that to the side. Alright, so these are actually not that expensive, but I got this adapter so I can plug in the, hold on, take it out. So, hold on, move my camera closer. So you guys know that all three adapters are little 3 inputs on the side of the camera. Get it show. And so I got this USB one that have the aux jack, and so you just plug it right here inside of the camera. Make sure that's the wrong way. And then I already tangled up, shaking my head. Alright, so you get this, you get this. So you got the mic, and you got the adapter. Just plug it right in. And so if I want to, I mean, we can do a quick little, say if I was to record, hold up. Alright, so I'm gonna do something with the chords because you see it's kind of long. Let's try to. Alright, and so that's what it sounds like. We're gonna take this off real quick. And you guys also can test the sound, the microphone covering your I think it's only one right here, the mic port over inside. Alright, so we can do another one. Alright. I don't know if you guys can hear this or not. Thinking on here, but what did I just do with the? I don't know what to do the thing for the mic, but so yeah, you get one of these adapters. They're actually not that expensive. Probably like about like $5 or $6 on Amazon. This is a new mic test. We're testing this mic part 2 or 3. We're testing it, and hold up, we're gonna try to unplug it. Mic test part 2 and 3 continued. See if it still works. I don't know why it stopped. This is a new mic test. We're testing this mic part 2 or 3. We're testing it, and hold up, we're gonna try to unplug it. Mic test part 2 and 3 continue. See if it still Maybe it don't work. Alright, so it's kind of hard to tell, so we are going to test it with my phone. So I gotta get that one out from my phone and gotta connect it, make sure it's alright. Got that connected. And hold up. Warning, turn down your volume. This mic test can get kind of loud, so I would recommend using earbuds to turn it more down than using any other device, phone, laptop, or anything. Hold up. Alright, so now I am using the microphone. Alright guys, so now I'm still using the microphone for my phone. You see it, it's connected, I see the cords coming from the phone. And so yeah, so it's kind of hard to tell from with the camera. And so it sounds like still's coming through from the microphone or the camera and not the actual microphone I'm using. So yeah, that's all I got to say. And yeah. Alright guys, so after buying this adapter, I did bring the camera closer to me from the camera to see if it was still big enough from the camera microphone, and I would bring it close and I will whisper into the mic and see if it'll work. And it turns out it still sounds like it's coming from the camera microphone. And so like, I want to say that this camera isn't really for a microphone, because I'm pretty sure this is the only way you can hook up a microphone. I don't know if it's the microphone I have or I don't know the microphone I have. Let me know if your Canon Rebel T6 works with a mic or not. Put it down in the comments and let me know. Or if it's the camera, I don't know, but it doesn't have a microphone input on the side, so that's why I got the adapter, and it sounds like the adapter is not working, or like it's not, I don't know, but it's not working out. And I see 100, that's a good show. I used to watch that. Okay, so besides the point, yeah, I don't think that the microphone or the adapter works, but the microphone works for sure, because I did try it with my phone and you guys did hear it. And so I'm just end the video here. And so if you got a Canon Rebel T6, I would recommend, it's only $5 or $6, but I would recommend not spending money on the adapter, because it's like it's not working. If you want to try it because you got a different mic, go ahead. But that's all I got. So make sure you guys like this video. Make sure you guys subscribe and turn on channel notifications as well. Thank you guys for watching.